What's going on, guys? My name is Crypto Chris and I'm back with another cryptocurrency breakdown video. Before I jump into this video, guys, you already know what you need to do. You need to drop a like, subscribe to this channel, guys. If you like cryptocurrency videos, if you're into cryptocurrency education, if you're into trading, please subscribe. I'll give as much value as possible. Also, if you've got any requests of any other altcoin breakdowns you'd like me to do, or anything educational you'd like me to cover, please leave it in the comment section and I will cover it in the next video. Alright guys, before I jump into this, guys, I just want to go over the Wall Street cheat sheet, which covers the psychology of a market cycle, which this could be for any asset, this could be for stocks, this could be for gold, this could be for crypto, and in more detail Bitcoin. So guys, I mean, in my opinion, euphoria was back at 20,000 in 2017, and then we had complacency, and then price just started melting, and we went through these different phases of anxiety, denial. I mean, denial, people were saying it's all right, we're going to recover, it never happened. And then there was that panic, and then we absolutely melted under 6,000. Then we had this period of consolidation, which is the anger phase. And then obviously since April we started to recover, but it makes sense to me that when it says it's a disbelief rally, this is a suckers rally, because as soon as we started rising above 5,000, 6,000, people said it's all right. As soon as we're going to go to 6,000, price is just going to melt back down. But it isn't. Prices continue to surge. And on Tuesday, guys, price went to nearly $14,000. So in my opinion, we're in the hope a recovery is possible. And then after that, we are into optimism. So I believe we're stuck currently in between these two market cycle psychologies. So where could price go? Where is price going right now? So let me jump into this, guys. So like I said, we had this absolute rip in price. Sorry guys, my laptop decided to play up. Right, if I just load the Bitcoin on the BitMEX chart, let me just clean this up. Right, sorry about that, guys. So we had this absolute parabolic rise in price, and price, it took us all the way to just under $14,000. And then as you can see, guys, if I get the price range tool out, price, we had a retracement of 25%. I mean, if you're not aware, guys, in the previous bull market, this was very common to have these kind of retracements. So if I show you here, if I get the price range tool out here, guys, we had the peak here. This was in June 2017, and then look at this side, we had a 14%. And look here, we had this peak in August 2017, and then price slammed all the way, another 40% retracement. And then once again, we had this peak here in November 2017, and then price melted another 30%. So these kind of retracements, guys, they are expected in the bull market. I mean, there's a lot of people at the moment. I mean, we've had this upsurge in price. So we've had this upsurge in price, and then we've had our first little bit of bearish candle, and then people scream, right, that's it, we're going back down to 8,500, we're going back down to 4,000. I mean, I just can't see it. There's a lot of factors that play into this. So if I get on the Bitstamp chart, I just want to also show you something as well. So if we go to Bitstamp, and I get the Ishimoku cloud, which shows where the current trend is. So for the first time in many months since we had this breakdown back in July. I mean, since we broke down back in July, we have not even come close to breaking above the cloud, which if you're not aware, when price is above a cloud, it means we are in an uptrend. If we're under the cloud, like we've seen here, guys, we're under the cloud, so it was no surprise we was in an absolute downtrend. And then the confirmation that I was waiting for of a change in trend was a break above this cloud. Also, the lagging span has broken above the cloud. I mean, this is the first time in almost a year there's been any, it's taken us to break above this cloud. Also, I want to show you the RSI on the weekly on Bitcoin. So let me just get rid of this. Let me just make this a bit more bigger. And what I want to show you guys is this period here was the Bitcoin bull market. And if I just draw this trend line here, guys, it will make sense what's going on here. So if I draw this, let me just get rid of this so it can clear up a bit. So as you can see, guys, as soon as we bounced off this in January 2016, this initiated the the Bitcoin bull run. And look, price stayed in the overbought area for well over a year, guys. Look at this. So, and as soon as we broke under here, this whole region here, guys, was the Bitcoin bear market. And look what's happened. We've broken above it, guys. We've broken above this trend line. So that's another thing I was looking for, that to confirm a bull market, if you like. So as long as we find support on this trend line, guys, I believe the bull trend is still valid as long as we find support above this, because this is what history has shown us in the past. Also, one last thing, if we go to the dollar index, you might be aware that I've covered this before in a previous video. So once again, this region here from December 2016 to January 2018, this was the dollar index. This is the strength index of the dollar. So we were stuck in a bear market for the dollar index, and this was an inverse correlation of the Bitcoin bull run. And look, guys, as soon as price started to recover, this whole region here was the dollar index bull market, and it was inverse correlated with the Bitcoin bear market. And I've drawn this pattern. If you're not sure what this pattern is, guys, it is a rising wedge. A rising wedge is a bearish pattern. I mean, this took from January 2018 to May 2019 to actually find a break. So this is a valid pattern. Look what's happened, guys. We've broken out of this wedge, and look, price is melting now, guys. We are about to break down. I mean, we can find support here, or also support can be found here, but if this turns bearish, this is another indication for me there is a Bitcoin bull market. So these are the factors that I'm currently looking at of why I believe there is a crypto bull market. Also, I want to cover Ethereum quickly because I know a lot of you guys do like Ethereum. At the moment, guys, if you're on my Telegram, you know I was targeting about $320 plus. The signal was given in my Telegram. I will put the Telegram link in the description. So I just want to show you, for us to even attempt to price to surge to the $600 regions, to the $800 regions, even to the $500 regions, we will need to break above this this resistance. I mean, this was resistance back in 2017. It became support in March, and then before price absolutely surge. So now if you look at this current doji, we bounce straight off that resistance, guys, and then price started to retreat. So I'm currently looking at for a break of this resistance, guys, and I believe our first target will be so the first target I'm looking for would be about this weekly wick here, which is about $512, and then these two candle closures, because we had the candle up and then the candle closure around about the same region. So this will be the other region I'm looking at here, of the body to body of about $616. So if I get a fib retracement, let's see if these zones make any sense. So I'm going to go from the low to the high here, and as you can see, guys, the first target is about $527, which is pretty much this region here, guys. So if we break this, the first target would be about $430 to $450, and then the next target after that will be about $530. So hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Follow me on Telegram. The link will be in the description, guys. And just regarding my Telegram, guys, I give a lot of trading ideas, a lot of educational material on my Telegram. It's all free, guys. So the link will be in there. Just give me a follow, guys. And I appreciate the support that you guys give me. Anyway, guys, Crypto Chris over and out. And I'll see you guys on the moon. Crypto Chris over and